Good morning from Harrah's, Southern California. Today we'll be taking a look at the Harrah's room suite, the suite here. It's a 1-bedroom king suite. And right when you first walk in, you have a restroom. Inside that restroom there, it's just a half restroom, so you got a little bit of a mirror here. Got a sink, soap, of course, and toilet. And that's right when you walk in. So this is the door coming into the suite. And then right when you walk in to your right, this is the bathroom. Moving on, inside this area, hello. So over here you have like a wet bar area as well as a table. Underneath the wet bar, there is
a little teeny tiny fridge.
A teeny tiny fridge.
A little teeny tiny fridge.
And it can hold
a six-pack of beer.
Yeah, 6-pack and then like a couple liters of water. Also, like I said, there's a little wet bar area right here. We are actually on our way checking out, so don't mind the mess. But that's the wet bar area there. So this whole area here, just for reference, there's the door, the bathroom's right over there, and then you have like a dining room and a wet bar area. Okay, moving on. Right over here we have a TV. I'd say that's good sized TV. Maybe 65 inches. Yeah, that's a decent sized TV. And over here, that is not a sofa bed. That's just a regular old couch with the chaise. No, it's not the worst couch. They do have 2 thermostats in the suite. The suite, that's what they call it here. So there's one here and then there's one on the other side of this wall. So it controls 2 zones. Got a nice little table over here, a little coffee table, and then one more chair. And then since this is an even number room, all the even number rooms, they do face the parking garage, but if you just look past that, you have a nice view of the mountains. All right, moving on. Also has a telephone right over there in case you need to order up a bell card or at this time I don't think they have room service. I don't see any room service menus, but this is the bedroom of the suite. Again, thermostat right here. We have it set to almost as low as we like it cold in the room. You have a nice little desk here with a lamp on that desk there. And then you have this really small TV for this fairly large bedroom. I'm going to say that's about 32, maybe 37 inches. It's pretty small for this whole wall here. So there's that. And over here we have the king size bed. At the bottom of that, you have a bench where you can sit, put shoes on. Here's one interesting thing about this whole suite. There are USB outlets down here. I don't know if you guys can see that outlet, and then you have USB hookups right there. There is no HDMI hookup, so you can't hook that up if you want to, say, watch something from your laptop. All the movies are like $20 a piece, so bring your own entertainment if you're looking to like just kind of chill in the room and watch stuff. Also, the internet per day is $13 per day. And we like to sit in our room. We like to watch movies, so we ended up paying $13. It was $12.99, so $13 per night to stream. Anyway, you do have an alarm clock over here. I unplugged it. I use both of those outlets. There are no USB outlets over on this side of the room, of the bed. You also have a nice little light there. Our light over there did not work, so that should also be noted. Let's turn that guy off. So this is a look of the whole bed right here. It's a king size bed. The mattress was it was a little bumpy. It was a little bumpy. Both sides have a little nightstand. Not bad. And then we have a closet in here. We did order extra blankets, so there are a couple extra blankets, but you do have a safe up here and then a couple of hangers. And we ordered some extra pillows. So normally it just comes with like those 4 pillows there and then those big old pillows right behind it. But we ordered some more pillows. You have an ironing board here. You have your iron right up here. Safe, ironing board. And then some hangers. Luggage rack down there. Alright, let's close this guy up. I do like the light turns off when you close the doors. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's move on to the bathroom. I'm going to close this up real quick. So it does have like a sliding glass barn door, which it's a nice little touch. I think it's pretty cool. You can close it. However, if it's late at night and someone closes the door, you're still going to get that light shining through if someone's trying to sleep. But that's how it looks when it's open. And then we have the bathroom. All right, so in here, you have 2 sinks. Hello again. Hi. You also have a little, what are these small mirrors? I'm not sure. My wife's not paying attention. You have one of these little mirrors where you can get close up. Hello, hi. Get close up and put your makeup on. Like I said, 2 sinks. This is all the lighting you get in this entire bathroom, so it's not a lot of lighting, unfortunately. We do have a nice jetted tub in this category, so this is also, like I said, the suite at the resort. You do have a jetted tub, which was cool. You guys may be able to see the sparkles in there. We had a couple bath bombs that we have left over from Lush, so we did use some bath bombs. But the hot water does run very slow. Cold water, of course. Cold water, like crazy. Hot water, not so high pressure there. All right, moving on over here, we do have a shower. And we thought this category had a bench in the shower so you can sit down and kind of, hang out. One person take a shower, one person sit down, hang out, whatever. I don't know. One person in the shower just hanging out. I don't know your life. I know mine. Sometimes, hey, like to sit 2 people. One person shower, one person just hang out. Like, hey, how's the water over there? Pretty cool. Anyway, moving on. It's probably too much information for you guys. But you do have these dispensers here. So for conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. And you have this shower head up here. It's not really a rainfall. I wouldn't call that a rainfall. But this is a fairly small shower. 1 person can fit in here. 2 people, not so much. More, don't think about it. I wouldn't do it. You have a hair dryer here as well. They just had this kind of actually just hanging out up here on this little post. So I'm not sure where it normally goes. We left it there, we didn't touch it. And inside here is your last toilet, water closet. All right, so that's that. They did give us extra towels down here. We didn't use all of our extra towels. Got a trash can over there. And again, jetted tub. It is fully jetted. We tested that out 2 nights in a row. It was a nice little touch. That's one thing that we actually like as Jetta tubs. This is the amenity, the only amenity that we got in the suite was this brand here. So, washcloths, and that's how it looks in general. One more thing, there's a sensor here. So at nighttime, if you leave these on and then you come walking by, the sensor is going to pick you up walking into the bathroom. So if you have all the lights on, it's going to turn all of these lights on at night. And if your room is dark, we like our room extra dark and extra cold, then it's going to wake up whoever was sleeping at that time. Alrighty guys, so that's been the suite here at Harrah's, Southern California. And my recommendation, if you're going to book this room, see if you can get a high floor is nice, but try the odd numbers. So request the odd number. I think the odd numbers face the pool. We got an even number room, and we are facing the parking garage. But also we get a decent mountain view if you look past the parking garage. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That's our channel. We got plenty of room tours coming, plenty of vacations, plenty of adventures. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, everyone.